We'll guide you through how to use AirDrop on an iPhone or an iPad. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. AirDrop is a feature that allows you to go and transfer files between Apple devices. Whether it's a Mac, an iPhone, an iPad, it doesn't matter. You need to come onto the device where you want to go and receive the files. And then what we need to do is go and enable AirDrop, drag down on the battery like so to open the control center. You'll find these four icons, tap your finger in the middle. Make sure that AirDrop is on, like so, and at the bottom you can choose who you can go and receive files from. I like to set it to everyone. Then what you can do is come onto the device you want to go and send the files from, and you could do this with different types of things. In this case, we'll do it with photos though. We can press select at the top right and select what we want to go and AirDrop. With them selected, press the share button at the bottom and then press AirDrop, and then it's going to go and find devices. So it's showing up in my devices as they're on the same Apple ID. I'll go and select the iPad like so, and it then says sending, and it's gone and been received. Now in some cases, there'll be a pop-up where it needs to be accepted. Because I've done it before and it's on the same Apple ID, I don't need to.